Let me show you how to make this adorable fake Valentine's Day cake. So I'm just taking this styrofoam heart and I'm taking some craft foam. Now this craft foam is not quite long enough to go around the entire heart, so I'm going to have to make it in 2 pieces. The heart is 2 inches tall, so I'm going to cut out 2 long strips that are 2 inches wide. Next, I'm just going to hot glue, or you could use Gorilla Glue or super glue around the edge to glue your foam down. I just used some Gorilla Glue on the seam to hold those seams down. Now my cutting was a little bit off, so I had to cut off the excess off of the top of the heart. Now I'm just using a sharp edge to trace the heart into the craft foam so that I can cover the top. Now I'm just using hot glue to add the top part of the heart. This is just a little cake board. You can get them anywhere, Amazon, Michael's, Hobby Lobby, and I'm just hot gluing that down. Now I'm using DAP lightweight spackle and a star tip and a frosting bag, and I'm just making a wave motion all around the bottom. So now I'm doing the top and I'm making the frosting a little bit thicker so that I can cover up the entire seam and go all the way around. You're going to go all the way around twice. Once on the outside here and then 1 layer in the middle. And you're going to make the point of the heart on the top very obvious with your last bit of frosting. So now I'm just using Scribbles fabric paint, and it's called True Pink and Shiny Wild Raspberry. Now I'm just using some fake sprinkles from my shop. They're called Be My Valentine. And I'm just going to put those around the edge how I think looks pretty. It's totally up to you. You can be really creative here. And then I just finished up the sauce on the right side so that it would look nice. And don't forget to do your sprinkles on your bottom frosting. Next, I'm just taking some paper roses. You can get these on Etsy or at Michael's. And I'm just using some hot glue to fix those to the top and to the bottom of the cake. And here is the finished cake. It can look so great in any of your Valentine's Day displays. You could use it as a tier tray decor, as a gift. It's just something pretty to have on your shelf. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know what you think and be sure to follow for more.